with y'all, checking in on another video, another vlog. As you can see by the title, there's a problem with the Camaro. And what I'm about to do right now is show y'all the problem. And I'm gonna get y'all an update on everything going on, cause it's really messed up, but you know, it's part of owning a hot rod. So first off, we're gonna get in. Let's get in this thing. Show y'all the problem. Alright. Gonna get this thing fired up. Prime the fuel system. We got good fuel pressure still. Air fuel, all of that. Let me cut this down, cause I ain't trying to get copyrighted. But I'm sitting in here. Y'all know my motto: the windows always up. Windows up on this. But okay, now let me show y'all the problem, right? Okay. Alright. Right now, I'm supposed to be in reverse. Well, for me, the shifter is in position in neutral, right? Right. Alright, so right now my pro brake is supposed to be active and I'm supposed to be able to go in reverse. I just hit the pro brake, the car not moving, right? So, y'all probably can hear it. I don't know if y'all can hear it in the car. Coming from I don't know if y'all can hear that, but basically it's something in the transmission. Then see, we got drive, and even drive is weak, like it's super weak. See, listen, y'all don't hear it, right? No whining, no whining. I don't know if I'm talking loud or what, y'all, but okay. Now, we reverse. I don't know if you can hear that on camera, but yeah, it's something tore up in here. So, something tore up in this transmission. So, let me hop out the car. Let's hop out the car. And I'm finna tell y'all what's the plan. Cause it's some bull, man. Anytime you tear stuff up, it's some bull, right? It ain't fun. Oh, hold on. My bad, y'all. I got the camera. I got the big camera today, man. I'm gonna start providing this A1 quality. I got all these cameras, man. I got 2 big cameras, tons of GoPros, all this stuff, man. Pay all this money for, and I still be filming these vlogs on my iPhone. So I'm gonna start using the big camera. But on another note too, let me show y'all what I did to the car. Yeah, man. Motion Raceworks banner on there. Instantly gonna drop my ET 4/10. So look, if you want to drop your ET 4/10, you need to go over to Motion Raceworks. The link is in the description of every video. You need to go over to Motion Raceworks, get you one of these, or you can get you a sticker. They say the stickers too. Get you a sticker, but I had to put the banner on the front. And it's gonna drop your ET 4/10 instantly. And that's coming from me, so trust me on that. But alright, let me set this up. I got my Gorilla Pod, tripod set up and all of that. Trying to make sure my kids don't come out here, man. They be wanting to be on video and all that good stuff. Y'all probably be seeing the Motion Raceworks banner or something in the garage soon too, on that wall over there. But alright, so cut to the chase. I don't really like how the lighting look out here, but man, I don't know. What y'all think? I don't know, man. I just hold it. But alright, cut to the chase. Basically, transmission tore up, right? Posted a picture first day I took the T's out, the T-top. Hold on, I don't like this. This thing heavy. I'm gonna have to set it down. The light ain't gonna have to work. Sorry, y'all. Alright. We're gonna have to work right there. But yeah, basically, I popped the T's out, man. It was a good day. Had just drove the car to my hometown, went to the gym and all that good stuff. And actually didn't do no foolishness this day. Didn't even do no pulls. I just cruised it. And hit the highway and I had the T's out. I was like, man, I have never took the T-tops out of this car, so I'm gonna take the T-tops out, route the T-tops out. Took the T-tops out, windows down, phones out. I'm going down the highway, phones out, pictures, all that good stuff. Man, it's a good day. And all of a sudden I see smoke starting to come in the car. I'm like, and I smell it, I'm like, it's transmission fluid. And mind you, I smelled transmission fluid the first day I got this car. It was just a faint smell. I was like, man, it's some transmission fluid hitting the exhaust somewhere. Cause it don't leave a puddle on the ground. Even now, there's no puddles on the ground. So I was thinking it's blowing it out the front seal and it's hitting the crossover pipe and it's just burning it up. Like it's just blowing the mist out. I think it's been doing it the whole time and it's easing around the converter or leaking down the converter and then hitting the blowing on the crossover pipe some kind of way. And man, the fluid it was low. So I don't know if this damage been happening or if it happened that day. Cause like I said, I was on the highway. I immediately jumped off an exit so I can, bring the RPMs down. And like I said, it was smoking pretty heavy, so it was blowing it out pretty good. So well, honestly, whatever happened, it went ahead and failed, cause it was blowing it out good. And mind you, all the other times I've driven this car, like I said, I smelled it just a little bit, but never to the point where I saw smoke or anything like that. So, but this day, which was last week, it was smoking. It was smoking pretty good, and I was like, man, I need to pull over. It was coming in the car, so I'm like, all right, that's why I think it's that front seal hitting the crossover pipe and it's coming up in the car. And like I said, I got off the road, pulled over, and eased it home. So next day, got out, put it in reverse. The car didn't move. Checked the fluid was super low. So got fluid added in, which I had to get an adapter. I'm gonna show y'all this too, cause I never had a flex transmission stick, so I ain't know. So hold on, show y'all this. Well, I'm trying to, oh, here you go. Alright. Cause everybody might not know. If you got a flex transmission stick, one of the flexible ones, cause this everything up on here tight, the motor set so far back up in there, so this is what you're gonna need right here. I don't know if the lighting, man, that lighting is terrible, and I know why, cause I'm shooting against the light, but let's do it like this. It's a little better. But you're gonna need one of these. It's an adapter. Fit right in the stick, then you can put your funnel in there and do what you do. But shout out to Will at AutoZone. He handled a lot of stuff I get. He handles. And if you didn't know, you can go to AutoZone too, especially in Monroe, Georgia, the Monroe, Georgia store. Make sure you stop by there, holler at Will, cause he killing it. Seriously, I'm shouting him out, cause you don't have to go to Summit, y'all. For my people in Monroe nearby, this and that, you can go right to the Monroe, Georgia store. They can get everything, Summit, Jigs, all of that good stuff. They can get everything they get. So make sure you go in there, holler at Will, tell him I sent you, and he might look out for you. You don't know. But back to the topic at hand. All right, so the transmission gone, y'all. It's done. Y'all can hear it whining. I guess you heard it whining on camera. It's done. You know what? I think the Motion Raceworks banner probably did it. When I put the banner on there, it just stepped the horsepower up so much. I mean, the transmission just couldn't stand it. So I think Motion Raceworks did that. So when you put that banner on your car, make sure everything right. But now, on a serious note, y'all, cause I want to keep y'all updated on everything with all the whips too. This is about to get pulled out. I'm gonna do a vlog on that. It's about to get pulled out. My guy Rick gonna get it out for me. and I'm about to show y'all his ride. His ride is sick. But we about to get it pulled. It's going to Shpwtime transmission rebuilds. His link and number is also in the description. And if y'all follow, y'all know that DJ over at Shpwtime transmission rebuilds did the transmission in Cheapskate, which is bulletproof. That thing's nasty, still going, still ticking. Cheapskate is on the way back. I'm gonna start doing vlogs with it again. But yeah, it's going to DJ. We're about to get it to him this week. I'm sure DJ will probably put his touch on it, put some good stuff in it, and I'll probably have it back within a week. And then we'll get it back in the car and we back rolling. Back with ride reactions, back going on the track. I'm gonna try these hard tires out again too, cause I just wanna try it out. I feel like the hard tires whooped me last time. They destroyed me, and I wanna try it again. I'm gonna try these hard tires out again. Somebody said I need to go to Middle Georgia Motorsports Park and try it out, so I'm gonna try it out down there at Middle Georgia Motorsports Park. But first, we're gonna get the transmission out. And get it to DJ at Shpwtime Transmission Rebuilds. If you need a transmission done, get it to him. I guarantee you his prices cannot be beat. Glides, Pro 400s, regular 400 reverse valve bodies, forward valve bodies, trans brakes, ultra bells. He does it all. I'm telling you. A1 service, A1 custom service. He does it all. Y'all know I'm not gonna send y'all to nobody that I wouldn't personally use or who I don't stand behind. And one of y'all actually got a transmission done from, probably multiple of y'all, but I know somebody for sure did, and he shipped it to him, so he'll ship it too. So yeah, and y'all probably gonna get to see him open it up and stuff too, cause I told him if I can't be over there while he do it, I want him to film and show y'all what went wrong, cause I want to know what went wrong too. And if you heard the whining on camera and you know about transmissions, I really don't know a lot about them. Drop in the comments what you think is wrong, cause it doesn't go in reverse. It shifts weak, like it'll shift first, second, third, but it's weak. It's super weak. And like I said, when you put it in gear, it's whining. It's clear as day. When it's in park, no whining, but when it's in gear, it's whining big time. So yeah, something tore up in there. And if you think you got an idea, put in the comments what you think it is, because I really want to see what y'all got to say. I don't know about transmissions. I don't. I know how to operate them and and how they work and all that, but I don't know the parts in them and all of that stuff. So put in the comments, and I'm just curious to see if one of y'all that watching is going to get it right. And when DJ diagnose it and tell me, all right, this what went wrong and this what happened. So yeah, that's it. Update. About to get this CO2 kit put on too. Y'all gonna like that vlog too. Y'all gonna love that. I'm gonna show y'all the install costs. I be watching YouTube, and it's actually no videos on how to install a CO2 kit, like showing how to install a CO2 kit. Like I guess that's why people like the cheapskate S10 build so much, because I see now I actually did show in detail and me and how to do a lot of stuff, and it's not a lot of video. Cause me, when I was looking into CO2, I'm still learning too, y'all, about this turbo stuff myself. So, like, y'all on this journey with me. Some of y'all already know it, but y'all know this is my first boosted car. And I got general knowledge of turbo, but getting into detail, I'm still learning stuff. And I'm getting help along the way. So, I definitely be reading the comment section when people suggest stuff, cause I know some of y'all out there that know and I don't know. But I'm about to get the CO2 kit put on the car. Y'all gonna like that vlog. I'm gonna show everything. I'm gonna show y'all how it works, what it does, and everything. We're gonna go to the track. I'm gonna show y'all the difference of the CO2 on versus off, and I'm gonna show y'all really how great that kit is. Like, that's probably the best CO2. I'm gonna say it is. Motion Raceworks is the best CO2 kit out. No leaks and stuff. I ain't heard nothing but good from them, which is why I went with Motion Raceworks. So, I'm gonna show y'all getting it, getting installed on the car, but I gotta change my boost controller. And I'm gonna tell you that too. If you're looking at adding CO2 to your car, make sure you got to have basically a 5 boost controller, a $700-800 boost controller. That's just something you need, and that was in the plans for that anyway. And I got that coming too. That's another video. I'm gonna talk about that too. That's another video. I'm gonna start trying to drop daily videos for y'all, content. I know some of the stuff y'all probably not gonna want to see. Some of you are. Everything not gonna be an action video though. That's just the fact of the matter. So I'm gonna start trying to do longer content over here, cause this is my vlog channel. It's for my bills. It's for the truck, the cheapskate S10. It's for the turbo Camaro, which I ain't came up with a name yet. It's gonna be for big. I take that back. I'm not gonna be showing big meats, not when it get built for real. I might show the rear end and stuff like that, but the motor I'm not gonna show big meats. But it's some more stuff. It's some more bills coming on this channel, so it's a lot of good content. But yeah, that's the update. Let me check my time. I've been talking a long time. But yeah, that's it. I just want to show y'all the update. A lot of people want to see the motor. I can show y'all I'm gonna show y'all the motor again too, man, cause a lot of people keep asking what the motor looks like. Some people don't go back and look at the videos. So, man, that thing, boy, that motion race work down is pretty. I'm telling you, go get y'all one, man. 4/10 off of your ET instantly. Alright, so I'll show y'all all this anyway, cause it's gonna get changed. We got the Huron speed kit coming. We getting all this off of there, like I said in a previous video. But yeah, this the motor, man. It's nothing fascinating. You know, it's a little razzle dazzle. Got some good stuff in it, but you know. But yeah, that's the transmission, the dipstick. See it back there. If you got one of them, you gotta you gonna have to get that adapter. But it come with it. You can get that from AutoZone too. Holler at Will. Man, listen, you can even call Will, man. He can ship the stuff. Listen, that's what I want y'all to do. Even if you're not gonna buy nothing, man, I want y'all to call AutoZone and ask for Will and tell Will he doing a great job. Please, can y'all do that for me? I'm gonna give y'all the number right now. I want y'all to call AutoZone Monroe, Georgia, and tell Will, his name is Will, ask to speak to Will, and tell him, hey, you saw the video, he doing a good job, and tell him, hey, appreciate it. Cause like I said, he look out for me, and anytime I need something, I don't have to take that long trip to Summit all the time, and he can order it. But the number is 770-207-0097. Call Will and ask for Will. Tell him he's doing a good job, and you call him because you saw this video. But yeah, that's it. Y'all see the nice turbo. It's gonna get changed eventually. We're gonna move to a precision. It's a nice size already. We're gonna move to a precision though, 7/8, and it's billet. And yeah, I'm about to change the ECU on this thing. And yeah, that's it. And we got some BMR, some more BMR stuff coming. If you missed out, you know I done did the LED install. You need to go look at that video, line lock and all of that, all that good stuff. But yep, that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of boring talking, but I do want to keep y'all in the mix with what's going on. And yeah, that's it. And I'm out.